Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or else Pagdanoff will dump on you. Feel free to ask question and suggest coins so we can add it today. Okay. Let's now check our coin. Okay, hello everyone. Okay. Okay. There, I can hear my background now. Okay. Hello El Negro. Hello Ava. Yo, what's up? Kyle. Angelo, hello. Mary Ann ko, hello. Kishan Reyes. Hello, Kebs. Good to see you. Hello. Ramil Rodriguez. Hello, Ramil. Yes. How is everyone? Okay, so we are still in our trading range, okay? When do you think our title for our live is When Moon? When is Moon? When are we going to have the Moon experience? Okay, okay. The title of our live is When Moon. So when are we going to break this one? Okay. Hello, Kyle Angelo, hello. Hello, ATTY Navara. Okay. So let's check some news first. Hi sir sa mga nanood. Good evening. Good evening to you as well, Kyle Angelo. Okay, let's check some news first before we dig in to our TA, okay? Feel free to suggest your coin, okay? I'm waiting for your suggestion. Coin suggestion. All right. Bitcoin is forming its ninth straight weekly red candle. Is a reversal imminent? Okay, so everybody is waiting for the reversal. So is it imminent already? Is it already near? On May 23rd, Bitcoin formed its 8th straight red weekly candle for the first time in the flagship digital asset history. The current situation in the cryptocurrency market remains bearish. Okay, remains bearish. And as things stand, Bitcoin looks to be forming its ninth straight red candle as a result, according to data from TradingView. So it's waiting for the ninth, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This ninth, I think this will pump already. Okay. Okay, Sol, sir. Okay, we will check Sol. BNB. Okay, we will check BNB. Good evening, admin. So we have our admin here. Okay, so behave everyone. Just kidding, admin. Okay. All right. So currently, Bitcoin is trading at 29,775, up 1.54%. Okay. Good evening. Okay. In the last 24 hours, down 0.13 across the previous week with a total market capitalization of 566 billion. Okay, 20 USDT boss. Haha. Yo, Ramil, good to see you. Okay. Crypto fear and greed index remains low. So what's our crypto greed and fear index? Is 11. Okay, it's 11 today. All of us are wiped out. You got wiped out. Why? You did not adjust your leverage to place your stop loss in our stop loss area. Okay. Zero the Lone Rider, hello. Yo, B Zangwin. We miss you. Halu, halu. Okay, 11. So our extreme fear is 11, okay? So according to Michael Van de Poe, a prominent crypto trading analyst, stated that Bitcoin broke above a crucial barrier at around 29.4. If Bitcoin can hold support above this level, then he believes that Bitcoin can reach the crucial 30K level, with the next point of resistance being at 32,800. Our raffle is every Sunday, okay? Okay. So we have the news is saying that we have broke some important resistance zone. So if we hold 29, so we are on the way to 32.8. Yeah. It's been a while. Interestingly, as Finbold recently reported, Mike Sonestein, the CEO of the crypto asset management company Grayscale, stated that the recent sell-off in Bitcoin has not deterred investors. Okay, in addition, Robert Kiyosaki, author of the personal finance book Rich Dad Poor Dad, invested to save Bitcoin and precious metal in the face of volatile market throughout the world. Okay. Hello, Mai. Yes. So this one seems a bullish news, okay? So if this is already the bottom, if the 25,000 is already the bottom, so that's also good. But yeah, we'll just trade one day at a time. Crypto is risky, yet adoption in Europe is increasing, says EC. As many as 10% of Eurozone households may own cryptocurrency. 6% of crypto owners hold more than 32,000 in assets. Wow. So 10% in Eurozone household may own cryptocurrency. So it's growing in Europe. The adaptation in Europe is growing. 6% owns $32,000 in asset. Okay, so wow, that's good. Also, that's a good amount. Also, DeFi and stablecoin appear to be major concern. KuCoin release ECS white paper. Okay. The European Central Bank has released a report on the financial stability risk of the crypto market, revealing that 10% of households may own cryptocurrency. The report confirmed that growing retail and institutional interest has put crypto on its radar, leading to the research being published. Around 6% of crypto owners confirmed that they held more than 32,000 worth of assets. As with the Federal Reserve Bureau report recently, the higher the household income, the more likely it is that it owns crypto. Okay? However, lower income households are more likely to hold crypto than middle income household. Okay, sir, play your guitar. All right. So crypto assets are highly risky. Yet interest in them has grown with connections with the finance industry increasing. If this continues, crypto asset will pose a risk to financial stability. Okay? So the author says that stellar growth, volatility, and financial innovation are good reason to assess the risk of the crypto market on financial stability. All right. Okay. So ECB attitude to risk is changing. In the past, the ECB has seen the risk of cryptocurrency and financial stability as limited, but developments such as decentralized finance has changed the opinion. Okay. So basically, what's trying to say is the adoption in the crypto is getting more adoption. Okay, it's getting more attention to people. So more people trading, bigger the price will be. Okay, the higher the price will go for our Bitcoin. Okay. So we are already in accumulation, so everybody's accumulating again. Okay. So we have a 379 million liquidated. Are you one of the liquidated? Okay. I hope not. Okay, we don't get liquidated in our community. We hit stop loss. So if you don't hit your stop loss, you get liquidated. That means you are not following our risk management, okay? Mas magiging volatile po ba ang market pag dumami traders? Yes. Hello. Na-late pa nga ako. Ahaha. Angela, hello. Yes. RA, hello. Okay, so in the past 24 hours, 75% who got liquidated are short position. Okay, so I told you yesterday that it's already the bottom. Okay, even though we have an entry here, as long as you followed our stop loss, you have no problem. Okay, because our stop loss is way below here, 28.55 something. Okay, let me check. We gave you a stop loss. Where's our stop loss here? Signal. Okay. 28.555. Okay, so you don't hit your stop loss right away. 28.555. So that's our stop loss area. So where is that? 28.555. Okay. 28.555. So we haven't hit our stop loss. Okay, look at our stop loss. Almost but didn't. Okay, so if you follow my stop loss area, you will have no problem with our entry. Okay, so it went down. It really went down, but it did not hit our stop loss because our stop loss is below this demand zone. Okay, I told you in our session that you always put your stop loss below the demand zone and above the supply zone. Is it good or bad po ba? If there are more traders, then it's good. It's good for the market. The adoption, okay? Then we can really see millions for a price of 1 Bitcoin. Okay. Okay, I apologize for my pet, okay? So, Bogorni just gave birth and there's some people outside cleaning our surroundings, so they are not used to it. Okay? So here, let me show you. Here. So I told you, when you put your stop loss always below the demand zone. Okay? So stop loss for long position always below the demand zone. So you will not just hit your stop loss easily. Okay? So this is the demand zone and this is the stop loss. You know that it's a demand zone when it's always bouncing in that area. Okay? Hello, Maki Manalang. So our stop loss is right here. Okay, and the same with our signal last night. Our stop loss is right here. Even for today, our stop loss is still right here. Okay, we always keep our stop loss even if our entry is above As long as you are opening a long position, your stop loss should always be above here, below here, okay? This right here, your stop loss. But if you are shorting it from here, then your stop loss should be above this supply zone, okay? This supply zone right here. Let me draw the supply zone, okay? Yeah, so your stop loss should be above this supply zone, okay? So even though we are here, we just open a long position. It will hold. This will hold here in the middle, or if not, it will go back here. But we are waiting for it to break out, okay? So we just wait for this one, okay? But if we can't break it, then a potential short is also good here, okay? Anyway, yes. So that's our market right now, okay? Okay. So if you always hit your liquidation, that means you have not adjusted your, for example, you enter here, long position. Okay? From, for example, this yellow line here, entry, and then your stop loss is right here. This is 4.77. Okay, let me do the math for you. Okay, so for those who don't know how to do it yet, I'm gonna repeat it again here. Okay, this is important if you are doing leverage trading. Okay, 4.77. You can have at least 15x or 17x. 4.77 times 17. So you can have 17x. Okay? So you can have a leverage of 17x if you are going to do isolated margin. Okay? That's isolated margin. Okay? So that your stop loss will be placed here, you can have 17 for isolated margin. But if you notice, our signal is always cross margin. Okay? So it is cross margin. Okay? So it is cross margin. That means you can always put your stop loss there as long as you don't put your whole account. Okay? So you don't put your whole account. You don't YOLO your account. If you have $200, don't put your $200 in that trade. Okay? You listen to our suggestion. We are suggesting only 2 to 3% margin. So that means, okay, let's do a calculator again. So for example, you have a $5,000 account. So you multiply, I say 2% only. So 0.02. So you can only trade $100 from your $5,000 account. Okay? So from that $5,000, you see our risk, right? How much is our risk? So we are risking only 2 to 3%. Okay? So if our stop loss, we are willing to lose 1% per trade. So that would mean, or let's say you are willing to lose 2% from your trade. So 2% from your whole portfolio. Okay? So that would mean 5,000. Then you are willing to lose 2%. So times 0.02. So 100. So that would mean you're willing to lose 100 from your trade. Okay? So right here, the 4.77, the 4.77 times 4.77 times 17 leverage. So 81. So here you are going to lose only 81% from your 100. So that would mean you will only lose $80 if you hit your stop loss. Okay, that's the risk that you are willing to take. But for the trade, you are okay to lose $100 because that's only 2% from your whole portfolio. Okay, so we have been repeating this so many times already. So this is also helpful for day traders, okay? For day traders, you really need to understand this because if you are day trading and you always do YOLO, You have $50, you YOLO your $50. You have $20, you YOLO your $20. You have $100, you YOLO your $100. That's not a good, that's not day trading, that's gambling. Okay? So you are gambling your funds. So you always follow our suggestion, because I always tell our community, it's not asking how much should I make for this week. That's not the question that you should ask. Your question should be, how should I stay in day trading for the next 30 years? Because if that is your question, that means you are more on risk management. Okay? And let me tell you plainly, in day trading, most people lose money. Okay? Most people lose money in day trading. And the only way to not lose money is to do risk management. Okay? You do the risk management because you are competing globally. You are competing against so many traders globally. So you have a little chance to make money because you are competing against them. Okay? So if you are competing against them, every time you make $100, that means behind your screen that you are looking at, somebody lose $100. Okay? So if you make $100, somebody behind your screen lose $100. If you lose $100, somebody behind your screen has made $100. Okay? So with that in mind, you need to take note that you will win, you will lose, you will win, you will lose, you will win, you will win, you will win, and then you have your bad days, you will lose, you will lose, you will lose. And without your risk management, without you following our risk management, your 1 million profit can be wiped out with your 1 week bad days. Okay? If you have a bad days, and then you are used to YOLO, you will wipe out your account. You will not even be able to take out some profit. Okay? So that is not good if you always end the month negative. Okay? That's not our goal here in day trading. You don't goal to be negative in the end of the month. So you always check at the end of the month, at least you are positive. Okay? So that would be a good thing right there. It's not you put money this week and then you wipe out your money this week. Some would even put money today and then wipe out it for the next 3 days. Okay, it doesn't even reach 1 month. Hello, Ben. Okay, thank you. So, basically, what we are trying to say is, to make money in the market, you don't prioritize your thinking in making money. Your priority is conserving your funds. And that is through risk management, because you are not always right. Therefore, you should always have stop loss. Okay? Alright, so yeah. So we are giving some tips for our day traders. Yes. Let's go. Okay. So look at our DXY right now. Our DXY is somehow recovering. Okay? So of course it's gonna form a drop-based trap soon. Okay, so we are just having some drop-based drop. That's why Bitcoin is right now dropping, because the dollar is recovering. Okay, we have a drop-based, 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 drop-based. So we might have a resistance here, or the next resistance is waiting right here. But surely we're gonna drop again. Okay, so that's our drop-based drop in play for our dollar. Okay, DXY. So if the dollar pumps, Bitcoin will dump. If the dollar dumps, Bitcoin will pump. Okay? Okay. So right now our dollar is in a correction because the dollar has been in recovery. Okay? Okay. So let's check now your suggested coin. What's your suggested coin now? Okay, noted, coach. Okay, that's good. You get our point, okay? It's really important. The risk management, you can forget everything that I teach you, but for the risk management, you need to really apply it religiously. Okay, if you are not religious, then this is the only time you will be religious in applying your risk management. Okay, okay, so yeah, for the sake of a peaceful house, if you are married, you need to have a peaceful house, right? So that's only by protecting your funds. If you don't, you will always have a fight with your husband or wife. Okay? So for those single, for the sake of your life savings. Okay? So if that's your savings, so you protect it. Okay? Okay, so let's check now the suggested coin. Sol. Okay, let's check Sol now. How is our audio? Is audio fine or there is so many feedback or echo? Okay, okay. Let me remove something. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, that's better now. Sounds good, sir. Okay lang. Okay, okay. Okay, all good, all good. Okay, let's check now Sol. So Sol is about to pump. Okay. Okay, let's clean the okay. So right here we are waiting for a this can be our next resistance, okay? And that's up to our 233 EMA and our 200 moving average. So this is possible resistance once it starts pumping. Arichimoku, we are below the cloud, but we are about to break it, okay? This is our entry for the cloud. Okay. This is our exit for the cloud. So if we are about to pump, so this is our exit. So what time is this? It's May 25. It's still today, so most probably we're gonna break it today, okay? The pump can take place today. There's a possibility that we can start pumping. The next candle, we still have 1 hour and 30 minutes. After this 1 hour and 30 minutes, the next candle might start pumping from here, okay? Okay. Okay. Let's draw some trend line here. Okay. In daily time frame, you can notice it's a bull flag. Okay, so you can consider you are bouncing always in 0.5. You haven't went below 0.5. So 0.5 is a important number in Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so you take note of that in Fibonacci lines. 0.5 is important. Okay, show you something here. So in retracement area, if you are sitting in 0.5, that's a normal trend. Okay, so we go up and then we have a retracement in 0.5, stay for a while here and then pumps. Okay, so that's the possibility that we are looking at. Okay, so from that, okay, our flag would be from bottom to top, and then our candle is so we are close to our breakout area. Okay, breakout is just right at the corner. So once we break this PA2, there's a possibility that we can start pumping from here. Okay, so we are waiting for this massive move. Okay, so if this breaks, our price target would be right here. And look at this price target right here. In 4-hour time frame, that's exactly in our 200 moving average. Okay, that's exactly in our 200 moving average. So this is a massive pump. So prepare your funds, really. That's why if you notice, I always give long position, even though it is really a risky trade. Okay, if you notice, I gave you a long position even though we are already at the top, because that's much better than giving you a short position and then the breakout happened during that test right there. Okay, and you will miss more. Okay, you will miss more. You don't only miss the opportunity of this pump. Okay, you don't only miss the opportunity of this pump if I gave you a short signal, you also lose money. Okay, because it will surely hit your stop loss. Okay, while I give you long position, I just move your stop loss where it would be really sufficient to not hit your stop loss. Okay, it's sufficient enough to avoid hitting your stop loss. Okay, okay, so for our sol, we are waiting right here. Okay, so this is our current situation right here. So Fibonacci, let's pull out some trend base, swing high, go swing high, and right here. Okay, so right here we are finding support in 236. So what we can do here is you can open long position here. That's a good long position. And then you can start profit taking here. Okay, take profit in these areas right here. That's a good. Okay, okay. So that's a good thing to take profit area, okay? Okay. Okay, so this is for our Solana. Sol. Okay. Our awesome oscillator is also bullish. Our awesome oscillator. Our MFI. Let me check our MFI. What's the here? We are just having some healthy correction. Okay. Our bottom right here, we are lower, but it's higher. Okay, so this is still bullish. Our MFI is still bullish, okay? So you can see from here, still bullish. Okay, look at the volume here. This one is constantly creating lower low. Okay, lower low. But this one is higher low. Okay, so that means this is bullish. There is not much anymore for the downside. Okay, there is not much volume to the downside. Okay, okay, so it's already 6:34. So before we continue, let's promote first our community. Okay, so this is our community. Yeah, so I can really hear the voice of Samsoni. Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. I love you. I love you too. All right. Okay. Good eve, guys. Ryan Recinto, hello. Okay. So scan this QR and you will be redirected to our community, okay? Or you can click this link right here and you will be redirected to our community, okay? Okay, okay. So this is our community right here. You will be redirected here to our community, making profit here. Okay, learning also with day trading, long position. Okay. Okay, so that's our community right there, making manay, manay, manay. Okay, look at our long position right here, riding from the bottom. Yes, yes, yes. So yeah, buti nakabawi kahit papano. Alright. Okay, so that's our community right here, and we drop some weekly time frame here, daily time frame here, and then 4-hour time frame. Okay, 4-hour time frame right here. And then in our 4-hour time frame, we have 1-hour time frame. So in 1-hour time frame, short, long signal is posted in practical group. Okay, so if you want the specific signal and practical, so yeah. Yeah.
Like a Hellcat.
Napamura si Kyle na. Naubos yung load, ah. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. You can always watch it again. Okay, okay. So this is our community. So for specific signal, this is our practical group. Okay. Today, no Zoom meeting. Yes, no Zoom meeting. Our Zoom meeting is every Tuesday and Thursday. Okay. Okay, okay. So this is our community. Everybody making money here. So you are all in a good place, ha? Puti, nag-close ako. Maaga. Mahina din kasi data ko. Wow. So you are in the sea. You are in the sea. No, Nogales, Roland. Okay, you're in the ocean, huh? That's nice. Love that. Let me... three of us now, hearting it. Galing Masbate yan, Lods. Oh, Bicol. Ang ganda naman dyan. Oh, nice view. Okay. Okay, so here's our community right here. So everybody is also learning already how to trade, okay? Okay. Sir, may time po pa po ba paano gamitin yung MFI? Okay, so how to use MFI? Okay, later after our promotion, okay? So if you want to join our practical group, you just message our admin, okay? So, inshallah, God willing. Nice. You can see that one. Baka ngayon magiging 3,500. Kanina lang 400 anyari. So you miss your $100, you take profit right away. Okay, so this is our community with Angela. Okay, so yeah. And we have some singer here. I a skillful guitarist, Christian J, okay? Nice. Okay, I can hear the sound, but you can't. Nice. Okay, so this is our community, okay? So basically, you are in a community of day traders, at the same time learners, at the same time getting signal for free. At the same time, you will be trading on your own. Okay? So you can post your TA here also. And you can share your victories as well as your losses, okay? We are not like the gamblers, okay? You know, in casino, gamblers, they will only show you their profit. They will not show you their losses. That's a gambler. But we are day traders, so it's normal for us to see losses and also profit. Okay, that's normal, okay? So it's nothing to be ashamed of. Okay, it's nothing to be ashamed of because in losses you are able to learn. Okay? All right. May 27 daw, my new coin Terra Luna din daw name. Oh, I see. Ryan Recinto, okay. So make sure when you follow our signal, you follow also our stop loss, okay? So you will not be wiped out, okay? You will hit only your stop loss. And so far, every time I gave signal, we don't hit stop loss, okay? We don't hit stop loss. So I see the message of Angela here. Let me show you something what Angela said. Okay. Madam Angela said here. Here. So this is long position. Okay. Okay. Is it true? We don't know yet. We don't know. We'll wait if it's really true for the Terra. Anyway, if they make new, they will just have a airdrop for those who have Luna in their wallet. Okay, so those all who have Luna, they will give an airdrop to them. Okay, so yeah, nothing to be afraid of. Okay, sir, anytime po ba pwede na sumali? Where do you want to join? If you want to join in our community, yeah, you can join anytime. There we have admin, TS admin Rio, so you can message them. Okay, okay, join our practical. So basically, it looks like this one. You're in the free community. Once you click the link, it's free. So you get a price forecast daily, and then live technical analysis here every night. Okay, yeah, anytime you can join the community. And then for the practical, you want a specific signal. Of course, to get a signal, you need to trade. So where are you going to trade? Not just in any other exchange. You trade in ULIAN exchange. Okay? Okay, so there is 24/7 chat support there. So you can always ask the chat support. Okay, and it's also no KYC needed, so purely anonymous. Okay, it's safe, no VPN needed. Anywhere in the planet you can join. Okay, so just like if there are war, like what happened to Russia and Ukraine, and if there is another war that there will be sanctions, most of them in Russia pull out their funds and put it in crypto. They buy USDT. Okay? So if there is something like this, that there is no KYC needed, so they can put their money slip here. Okay? Their crypto here. And when everybody is fine, then they can take it out again. Okay? So that's a good thing with no KYC. You will be anonymous traveling. Okay? Okay, so you get 2 daily signals here and you get to join our Zoom class every Tuesday and Thursday and then learning videos, okay? Okay. So exclusive, greater than 500, and then I advise if you want to day trade, follow our signal. If you don't want to get stressed, you start with $2,000 because we always say you trade only 1% of your portfolio, 2%. If I say 1%, that's just $20 from your $2,000. Okay, so nothing much. Okay? Okay, let me check if computed it right. 2,000 and I say 1% only of your portfolio you trade. So $20 only. Okay, because you are just following signal. You are not yet a day trader. So you are just testing if the signal works. Okay, you are just testing if the signal really works. So if the signal works, then you gradually grow your trading capital. Okay, just like our community members. You know our community members. Don't follow them right away because they have been here long enough. Okay? Don't envy their profit. Don't follow them right away. We have been together for a long time, so they know me. They know already how I gave signal, and they can read also behind my mind. They can read my thoughts already. Okay? Labas ko na SLP ko. Inaamag na. Okay? So, yeah, they are putting their entries like this one. Madam Angela has a $90 entry. Okay, so yeah. So they know already, they are familiar already with with our trades, okay? So for you, if you are new, you are just testing the water. And if you follow strictly, follow the stop loss, you ask, why I can follow your stop loss? Okay, so that there will be answers, and then you can adjust your leverage so you can follow. And if you follow the cross margin, you can really hit your stop. You can really put the stop loss. Okay, and then we have our exclusive. In exclusive, we give more than 2 signals. Okay, you can see so many TAs here. We have Ethereum, we have XRP, we have other coins here. Okay, aside from BTC. Okay, tita ko yan. Alright. So we have birthday celebrant also. Christine Joy. Yo, happy birthday. Happy birthday. I hope your birthday is happy, okay? So here, Christine Joy. So happy birthday, Christine. So I hope you are having having fun. Okay? Okay. Okay, so that's for our promotion to our community, okay? So this is for our Sol. We are done with Sol now. We'll check the next one, BNB. Okay, we'll check BNB now. Okay, look at our BNB. This is what we are expecting to happen for the rest of the coin. Seems BNB is leading the way, It's going ahead. The resistance for BNB is waiting in this area. Okay? BNB resistance waiting in this area. So support right here. We are bouncing in this area from here. As you can see, we are bouncing. This is what we call micro demand zone, okay? So if there is macro, this huge, there is micro. Okay, this small time frame here can start bouncing from here. Okay, the drawing of 331 is really a resistance. We really got a resistance there. We are already above the cloud, okay? Hi to Swingo. So resistance is 618. So if we touch 618, possibility here is we can start correcting again, okay? We can start correcting once we touch the 618 because we are also close to our 200 moving average and 233. Okay, that's most probable that we're gonna get a rejection, okay? As I say to our community, we always test resistance and then find support. If we are not finding support, then we are testing resistance, okay? So if we cannot break the resistance, then we're gonna look for support again. If it is a strong bull run, so it's gonna be a low volume test, okay? Like this one, let me show you. Here, it will look like this: rally, base, and then rally. And then there will be a low volume test. Here, low volume test. It will go down. But you cannot expect that it will go down here. This level here. It will find a new support area, which is this area right here. The demand zone, the new demand zone. So from here, it bounces again. That's why even though we are already here, I'm just giving you an entry, maybe here or here. Okay, but most probably, this is a good entry always. Because there is no perfect entry, okay? Take note of that. That's why we always give you entry anyway, anywhere. So that you can just dollar cost average. So if you put 20% here, okay? Because you don't know when it will continue to pump. And if you miss the money train, and then you put here the 50%. Okay, once it goes down again for your long. And then right here, 30%. Okay, that's dollar cost averaging. You don't YOLO your entry that you put right away your entry. If you're planning to enter a $50 trade for that one, so for the entry one, you put only little. Entry two, another, and then until it meet all that up to entry three. Okay? Okay, okay. Mahina audio coach. Yung volume ko pala mahina. Okay, okay. Happy birthday, Christine. Okay, Denver, convert muna sa USDT yan. SLP mo para na sa practical. Okay, MFI sir. Okay, okay. And then, okay, we will check MFI. Okay, so this is basically the Y. This is basically its direction. Okay. So the probability for this rally-based rally. So we are finding support here. So most probably we're gonna bounce here. We bounce and then another bouncing area right here or right here. Okay, so yeah, rally base rally. Okay, look at that rally base rally since the below here. Rally, base, rally, and then test, and rally again, test, rally, base, rally, rally. Okay, this is rally to the upside. Okay, okay, okay. All right. So the question is MFI. So how are you going to use MFI? So let's check in BNB. Okay, so BNB right here, bottom. And then right here, another bottom. Look at this one here. This is like RSI, okay? MFI is like RSI, but it's called Money Flow Index. Okay, Money Flow Index. So the RSI is only considering the price. Okay, it's only considering the price. So that's RSI. But for MFI, it is considering the price at the same time the volume. Okay? So it is, if you ask me, it is much better because it can tell you some divergence, some change of trend. Okay? A change of trend. The MFI can spot it. Okay? So right here, the oversold will be below 20 and then the overbought is above 80. Okay, so that's the difference here. If below 20, that's oversold. Overbought, that's above 90. Okay, so look at this one here. Okay, here. You can see the candle higher high. Okay, higher high. But look at our MFI. The volume is lower high. Okay, which means with this lower high in play and this one higher high, even though we went higher, okay, we made a new high, the volume is telling us it's supposed to be a higher high also in MFI. Okay, so for us to know that it's really a higher high, it should be higher high also here in the MFI. But since it's lower high, it's telling us means going bearish. That's right. You got it right. Meaning there is a divergence. There is a divergence cooking. Okay. They are cooking a change, a reversal. Okay. So in 4-hour time frame, you can consider this a top already. Okay. And then from here, we can start finding a correction to the downside. Okay. 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 Okay, so that's how you can use the MFI. Okay, no bullying. Okay, no bullying. Okay, got it, got it. Okay. I can sympathize with our co-traders, Ava and Angela. Yeah, it can really, especially for you, right? So you know you already lose thousands already in day trading, thousands in dollar, ah. And some people just lose $2 and then they leave right away. Okay, so that's funny. That's funny. Okay. Okay, so yeah. In day trading, I always tell our community that you treat $2,000 as a tuition. Okay, so you treat it, you don't expect that you enter day trading and then you make money right away. You lose money first before you make money. Okay, that's how it works. There is no shortcut. Okay, there is no shortcut. Okay, so even in giving signal, there is no shortcut. You will always experience that because we giving signal. But you, how about your emotion with that signal? Okay? How about your emotional attachment with your funds that you are entering the trade? I tell you, when you enter a trade, there will be a roller coaster ride. If your emotion cannot handle a $20 trade, then do not expect to trade in $50 because you cannot sleep with that $50. Okay? So you gradually grow your emotional capacity. Okay, emotional capacity in day trading. So you start small and then gradually grow it. Okay, do not really jump right away. Yes, sir, RJ, I lost more than 3,000. Okay, you see? That's why Madam Ava got pissed off with that kind of mindset. Losing $2 and then you leave right away. So we can understand, okay? Yes, 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 that's right. I'm willing to lose all my fun to learn. Yeah. So we really need to, that's part of learning, okay? That's part of learning. Pahimasin nyo. Nagagalit na. Little by little. Going back again. My 6,000 USDT. Nice. Yes, that's right. That's right. All of us lost money. Me and Sir Ian also lost money. Okay? We all lose money. That's our tuition. Okay? If you study flying, before you fly a plane, you need to spend money. Okay? If you want to finish a 4-year course, you're gonna spend tuition fee. And our tuition fee now is experience. Okay? We are paying for the experience in learning. And every time you lose, you take note of your loss. You grow your emotion there. Okay? Kailangan ko nga yatang humimas ngayon. So for those who don't get their HIMAS term, that means they need to take profit. Okay, so for those who are not familiar, those in our community understands the HIMAS term. But for those who don't know, yeah, so it means they need to take profit. Okay, sir, ano yung pinakamahalagang malalaman namin mga newbie? Dami po kasing need matutunan, di alam ano uunahin. If you are right away in the day trading, the risk management is important. Okay? The risk management is important. Join our Zoom class so you can learn the learn the risk management. The next one about making money, the supply and demand. Okay? Smart money concept. Okay? So Kyle, make sure you join our community. Okay? Yes, it's true. Don Peps, what do you mean by yes, it's true? What are you agreeing with? So we know what you are agreeing with, okay? So this is BNB for you, okay? We'll see, we are entering a distribution phase for it might make another one, so it will complete the 3 picks and then drop. Okay, there's a possibility 3 picks before it drops, okay? Okay. Okay, okay. Let's check now BTC. It's already 6:59. Okay, BTC USDT. Okay. Look at our chart here in 4 hour. So we are exactly breaking. We broke already in the thinnest part of the cloud, okay? So as always, it's always in the thinnest part of the cloud. It's above the cloud, sir. Maybe we'll dump. When it's above the cloud, it means it's going to pump, okay? But of course, we have a demand supply zone waiting here. We really need a strong really need to break this area right here. Our awesome oscillator is about to cross to the positive. Okay, so this can be bullish also. Let me check if it's already in the positive. Not yet, not yet. Still in the negative. Okay. MFI, where's our MFI? Low, low here, and then lower. Okay, higher, low, higher, high, lower, higher, low. But this one is lower, low. So yeah, not much volume. We might have some correction from here based on MFI. Yes, yes, yes. Hollow block. What do you think about this? What? It's above the cloud. What do you think about this? What's your question about hollow block? What I think about Bitcoin? Okay. Okay, so basically in a daily time frame, we are still in a healthy accumulation area, okay? The automatic reaction, the dump here, and then the massive pump entering the demand zone. Long wicks, we are bouncing here. In our weekly time frame, we are finding support in 618. So we are still healthy, okay? And weekly time frame, we are going up. Okay, we are bullish in weekly time frame and daily time frame already. Okay, so we are having 1, 2, 3. This is triple bottom. Okay, so if it is triple bottom, that's bullish. Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. So if we break this one, triple bottom, that's super bullish already. So we might pump more to the upside. Our resistance is waiting where? Our resistance is still in daily time frame too far. Okay. Okay. In our daily time frame, this is bullish harami. Okay. Big red, small green. Okay. So that means the next candle is a green candle. So we are expecting a green candle today. It will end a daily candle in a green candle. Bullish harami here. Bullish harami. Okay. So big red, small green. The next candle is a green candle. Okay. Si BTC nakatambay na naman sa 29. Nanonood na naman siya ng live coach. Yeah, yeah. He's watching our live again, so he's waiting for our prediction. If I predict long, Bitcoin will say, oh, they are going long, so we'll short. Maybe Bitcoin is wrecking our community, ah? Is Bitcoin wrecking our community? Is watching where we are going and then he goes the opposite way? All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, 4 hour time frame. So we are still in our trading zone, okay? So if you are not breaking yet, look at the RSVVB. This is our RSVVB. And as you can see, how to use RSVVB, usually you can see a constriction before a massive move, okay? That's why I'm always waiting for this massive move. This massive move is about to take place. Look at this constriction here of the tunnel. After the constriction, a massive move to the downside. Okay, and right now we are constricting. Okay, we are constricting. The caterpillar is constricting. The volatility is getting smaller and smaller. And then from here, we are waiting for a massive move. And most probably, it's gonna move to the upside. We're gonna test first this resistance right here. So that's why this is a huge move, okay? This is not just a day trading, scalping that we are doing. This is a massive move that we are waiting. So if this takes place, okay, if this takes place, this will be a huge for us, okay? Okay. So we can, if we break past this, consolidate here. If we break past this area, 200 moving average, then we can test again this one here. Okay? Okay. So that's what we are waiting right now. So we are just waiting. We don't know if this happens today. Happens this week. Okay? So that's why if I always give you long position, you better understand why, because we are in this waiting for this massive move. Okay? Of course you can scalp short. You can always scalp short. Okay? That's also fine. But for me, I don't want you to miss this money train right here. Okay? So maybe I can always give you the safest entry for long position is always right here. This 236 right here, okay? Okay. You are lucky if you can enter 28644. Okay, you are lucky if you can enter because that's already a massive move up to the upside. But if you can ride up to that 34,000, that's a huge profit also. Okay? Is BTC in descending triangle? Okay, let's remove the Ichi. Okay. Here's our trend line. If we have it here, okay. In daily time frame to have a clearer. Okay, for your question, if we are having, okay, here. Most probably just this one right here. Okay. So just a bull flag. From here, fall, and then right here. Okay. Okay, okay. So if this is can also be a channel down. If it's channel down, right here. So channel down is also bullish. Okay, naghanap siya ng demand at supply. Yes, yes, yes. It's always following. Di na sumusunod sa pattern si BTC. Yeah, that's why we are more inclined to follow supply and demand than the chart patterns, okay? Because it follows the supply and demand than the chart patterns, okay? All right. Okay, so specific signal, we'll drop it in our practical group, okay? Okay, we'll drop it in our practical group. Okay, we are in a high volume node, so we are finding support here. So there is possibility that we can continue to the upside. Okay, rally, base, and then continue. Okay, so we'll see, we'll see. Okay, specific signal will be dropped in our practical group. Okay, all right. So let's check our Raffle entries now. Okay. Iangat ko na ba? So are you going to pump Bitcoin now, Ramil? Okay, you can pump the Bitcoin now. How much are you going to trade? El Negro. Island. Marian ko. Buena fe. Maki Manalang. Is John Carlo Palma Benten in our community? Okay, did I miss anyone? Or all good now? Azane, okay. Azane, Zeke. Is this an anime name? Azane Zeke? Ava is already here. Don Peps. Lexi Balauro. Is BTC in descending triangle? Okay, seems so, seems so. Hollow block. But right now, we are just in a, you can call it, the pattern is mostly like this one, okay? Let me show you. A double tap, triple tap. It mostly looks like that one. Okay. It's trading like this area right here. Either triple tap or double tap. Just a flat, bouncing back and forth, okay? Wanted si Benten. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Benten, present. Oh, so you're Giancarlo Palma. Okay. All right. All right, all right. Hinuhuli siya. Okay, okay. So, yeah. All the best, everyone, okay? Stay safe, trade safer. Okay? We win some, we lose some. But we make sure when we lose, we don't wipe out everything, okay? That's why we have our stop loss, okay? So we are not gamblers, we are day traders, okay? All the best, everyone! Okay, see you in our practical group. Stay safe, trade safer. Bye-bye. I love you all. Cheers.